Dude, the shot is so good. I'm so excited. Hey everybody, what's good? I'm out here for a sunrise in Dallas. I'm meeting up with my buddy David, Dejobi Photo, on Instagram and Twitter. Go check him out, definitely. He's an amazing photographer. Check this out right here. So I'm gonna get set up here while I wait for him. Looked like I had a mist filter on because of all the fog. Just so you guys know, it's very humid out here. Look at this. Oh, it looks a little better now. See that light's right out there, so I'm gonna try to get out in the street and take a shot real quick. Made it back pretty quickly. That's not David, that's the same guy that's been over there. But I'm gonna head back that way so I can start my drone up. I have way too much stuff in my hands today because my backpack is small. Alright, I'm going to take a couple more shots with my long lens before I put my camera away. Yo, chill, 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 chill. How did I lose my lens cloth? I didn't open my backpack back up. Anybody have any ideas? Did I leave it up there? I really like this lighting. It's really hard to keep this lens still. It has no stabilization at all. Alright guys, we walked under this, what'd you say, Margaret McDermott? We walked under the Margaret McDermott Bridge, and we're gonna get the city from this angle. It's gonna look really good. Here's David. This thing, look at that. This thing I'm always having compass calibrations if I'm near any kind of metal.
Oh really?
Yeah, I don't know if it's just because it's like old or what. You know how like concrete has those metal rods in the ground?
Yeah.
I've actually had to move this thing onto a different part of a parking lot. Shot is so good. I'm so excited. just gonna get shot going towards the city. Don't get too close to the power lines. Come back around. Some of this bridge. Margaret McDermott Bridge. Man, right before the pandemic, my wife was gonna come do a 5K that crossed over the Margaret McDermott Bridge, and I was like, yeah, I'll definitely go to that one. You know, I'll go and I'll take pictures because it's early in the morning. You were? Yeah, right before and then they canceled it because yeah.
There was another one I was gonna do at Love Field.
Oh really?
Run on the runway.
Oh really?
Yeah.
No way. I'll have to tell her about that. Yeah.
An hour and you run on it.
Yeah, she's trying to get back into it, but obviously, you know, baby stuff. So.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're back. That was fun. Man, I hadn't been out flying in a long time, and I really need to do it more often. Thanks again to David for meeting up. Definitely check him out. I'll put his information on the screen, so give him a follow, show him some love on Instagram or Twitter. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for me. If you're looking for some ways to support the channel, then check out the links below. It really helps me out. Another way to support the channel is if you know any beginner photographers or people who are just getting into photography, videography kind of stuff, then point them towards me. Hopefully my videos can help them out. All right, that's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next one. Go out there and make something good.